1, Janine. Kaibigan, Justin. One-Sided Love, G22. Antropico, Pina. Sarili Mundo, DJ Montero.
And the Wish Pop Song of the Year is...
Maraming salamat po, Wish 1075, for this Pop Song of the Year Award. Ito po yung una naming award this year, and that even more special. Maraming salamat po. Napakaganda ng simula po ng taon natin. Siyempre gusto po namin magpasalamat sa management po namin ABS-CBN, to our team, Team Beanie, and to our music label, Star Music, Star Magic, and to our Blooms! Thank you so much!
Yes, thank you so much for the love and support. Beanie is not Beanie Kundi. That's never-ending support for guys. And of course, thank you so much Wish Music Awards for this amazing award. We're very honored and grateful to be able to represent Wish Pop Song of the Year. And thank you so much to our amazing composers of our beautiful song, Pantropico, Angelica Ortiz, Jumbo de Belen, Paulo Chavez, Mark Alapinas. Thank you so much po. All glory to God!
Congratulations, Beanie. They will also receive a cash prize.